today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to claim and also stake the raw Airdrop using your Kepler wallet. As you guys can see at the top right here, you got 26 days in order to claim your raw Airdrop. I'm also gonna show you how to stake it, and the staking right now is going for like around 136 APY, which is pretty huge. And if you guys want to keep up to date with the latest crypto airdrops, claim dates, requirements, all that stuff, you guys can literally join my free Invest to Rest Discord in the description below. And all you gotta do is click right here on airdrop alerts, and I basically update you with the latest crypto airdrops, so you guys can join my free community, tribe, whatever you want to call it, in the description below. So I am right here on the raw airdrop. Make sure it's the official website called airdrop.raw.zone. So all you guys gotta do to claim it is connect your wallet here at the top right, and then after you connect your wallet, it's gonna say here how much you have. So it says congrats, you have this amount of raw. Well, after that you're gonna click claim, and when you click claim, you're gonna have to approve that on your Kepler wallet, and if you have a ledger, then you're gonna approve that on your ledger as well. And then after you claim it, it's gonna say congrats, you just claimed your whatever amount of raw. Now in order to stake it, it's all right here. You just gotta click stake your raw in the DAO, and then what's awesome, it takes you to this website called rawdao.zone, which is part of their project. And right here it's going to show your balance, which is how much raw you have. Right now I have 0 because I just staked this, so it's right here. So it's going to show the amount here. All you guys got to do is click on manage, and here on manage you're going to want to put the amount that you want to basically stake. I put 100%, but this is one thing that you guys got to keep note of. To unstake it after, you're going to have to wait 2 weeks. There will be 2 weeks between the time you decide to unstake your tokens and the time you can redeem them. During that time, you will not receive staking rewards, not be able to cancel the unbounding, need to wait for unstaking period for the token to become liquid. So that's one thing to note in order to unstake it. But as you guys can see, the APR is pretty high. It's 131%. And then if you want to unstake it, whenever, just click right here on manage, and then you just put how much ever you want to stake, and then you unstake it. And then right here at the top, we have the airdrop, which was literally just this page, but we also have vote. So in the future, you're going to be able to vote right over here. So yeah, guys, that's how you guys do it. If you guys want to keep up to date, again, join my free Discord community, Invest to Rest. The best place for airdrop alerts is right there. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.